In this next section, we're going to introduce survey points in a region and survey lines, which will provide additional control of the mesh, including break lines for nice sharp edges. I'm going to go over to our View pull-down menu, and we're going to show survey points, as well as our survey lines. Now back over to our simplified tin mesh activity pane, you will notice the first optional step is to select survey points and/or lines. You can select individual lines by holding down the control button and clicking and highlighting which lines you want to hold, or you can go ahead and just select all. Working our way down this activity pane, we're going to hold the default settings for number 2 and click on Ignore Cloud Areas, which is step number 3. This will allow us to draw a fence to ignore areas of the ground cloud, so only the survey points will be included in the survey mesh. We're going to go ahead and click Polygonal Fence, generate a fence that we're going to hide points within, and ignore inside fence. And there you will see the ghosted ground cloud points that will be ignored when generating the mesh. And now, continuing our way down to number 4, we're going to go ahead and preview the boundary. And now that you see our boundary and holes, we're going to go ahead and remove all holes and proceed down to number 5, Create Simplified Tin Mesh. And there we have our mesh. You can see how well it held the survey points on a grid while ignoring the ground cloud in those fenced areas. Also take a look at the nice clean edges generated from the break lines.